our most embarrassing topic. It's only, you'll see. What you're going to need is your notes, your pencil, and your grooviness, because we're going to do a little bit of dancing. Now, I'm not sure if you'll be dancing at home, but tomorrow at school, you'll be dancing with me. So it will be embarrassing soon, especially for me. Here we go. So our objective, or what our goal is that you can solve expressions and equations in the correct order. Math, like with everything, you have to go in a particular order or you get the problems wrong. Example, if I had 5 minus 3 times 2, and I just moved left to right, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. But that's not the right order. Really, it should be negative 3 times 2, which is a negative 6, and we should get a negative 1 as our answer. It's 2 different answers. It matters how you solve the problem. So you have to make sure you solve things correctly. If you ask the older children, they'll let you know that I'm constantly yelling at them, don't put your panties outside your pants. And what that means is when you get dressed in the morning, you have to get dressed in a certain order. Your underwear first, and then your pants. You need to multiply first, and then add. So don't put your pants on, and then your panties. It's gross and weird, and no one wants to see it. So solve the problems correctly. Okay, moving on. So it's the order of operations. We call it OOO. Sometimes you see it as this, PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please is for parentheses. Then we have exponents, next to rule out radicals. Multiplication or division, whichever one you hit first going left to right. And addition or subtraction, whichever one you hit first going left to right. Now we've come to the embarrassing dance section. We call this OOO because when I was your mother, when your mom and I'm going to pretend your mom and I are the same age, when we were girls, there was this great band called New Kids on the Block, and they had this song called The Right Stuff. Oh gosh. And anyway, I turned it into an order of operations song and dance, and you're going to learn it, but we call it The Right Steps. Okay, but it starts out with OOO, order of operations. Okay, here we go. Sorry. I'm really embarrassed. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. The right steps. First you do the parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, addition or subtraction. Now we're going to try. Let's do it again. Yay. Yay. Oh, 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 oh. The right steps. First you do the parentheses, exponent, multiply or divide, addition or subtraction. Now we're going to try. Okay, come on. With that awesome dance in mind, let's solve some of these math problems. So number 1, 15 minus 5 times 2. What should we do first? Should we do the division, the subtraction first, or the multiplication? Well, first we do the parentheses, done. Multiply. Oh, 5 times 2 is 10. So this becomes a 10. Now we just answer the problem. 15 minus 10 is 5. Our next problem. Parentheses, 18 plus 7 times 2, and parentheses, minus 6 plus 3. Well, what do we do? First we do the parentheses. Oh, okay. So we look inside our parentheses. Inside our parentheses, should we multiply or add? First we do the parentheses, exponent. Multiply, 7 times 2 is 14. So now we do 18 plus 14, and we're going to get 32. So this whole little area is gone. Is there anything else to do in the parentheses? No, so we get rid of it. Now we have 32 minus 6 plus 3. Well, which one should I do? Should I do my subtraction first or my addition first? Or are you going to do addition or subtraction, whichever one you hit, going left to right? So we're going to do 32 minus 6 first. 32 minus 6 is 28. No, it's not. It's 26. Ha, ha, ha. And then 26 plus 3 is 29. Now let's look at our next problem. 16 minus 3 squared. Well, what should we do first? Should we subtract first or should we square it first? Parentheses, exponent, a little jaunty exponent. So we do our exponent. What is 3 squared, or 3 times 3? It's 9. Now we do 16 minus 9, which is 7. Here's our last one, it's our big one. 8 minus 2 plus 3 plus parentheses 20 minus 4 squared. So first we do our parentheses. Now we look inside a parentheses. Should we subtract first or should we exponent first? We should exponent first. 4 squared is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Is there anything else to do in the parentheses? No. So we're going to erase them. And now we're going to move again from left to right. Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Multiplication or division? No. So now we do addition or subtraction, moving from left to right. So here we have a subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6. So now we keep going left to right. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay. Yay.